John.
Yeah. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up.
We're back at it. Here we go. Yep.
Yep. Put up. There's another duck.
Yep.
And we live, baby. We live. All right.
Getting the old slasher.
Let's figure out what these fish are about. There's my first snag, which stinks because this hole was great. Really don't want to be spooking fish. Oh, I'm snagged on some sort of stick. Rock. All right, let's get on the board here. Let's get on the fish.
Is this an even?
I don't know. I keep my...
Look.
There's one. There we go. And that's about the size of them.
Wow. Compared to what I've got.
Compared to what me and John have caught on the reg, which is not a river. It's just, you know, a cool trout saying that we say, the reg.
Yeah, dude.
On the reg.
We're in the lingo.
Kids, these. Oh, there's a nice one. There we go. That's a nice one. Again, these trout are just, they're fun. These are fun. All right, there you are. Nice brown. Nice fins. We're good to go. So if you guys can see where I caught this one, you have this riffle here on the right. It gets really slack and lazy here. But on the left, you can see a darker stream. That's where usually those trout are gonna sit. They're gonna sit in that lazy water. But they're gonna particularly sit in the darker areas, waiting for something to hopefully come to the right here as an eddy kicks it around. Fish are kind of lazy, I get it. I don't want to eat my food in the fast current either and have to swim and do too much. I like to be able to relax and let the bait come to me. So the eddy acts kind of like a conveyor, kicks the bait right in front of them, and let's see if we can get another one here. Got a nice rock here in the middle. See if we can get some chasers here. There's one. Hit me last second.
Yeah, I saw that.
Screaming out of the hole. That's fun. Beautiful trout. Wet that hand, grab the fish. There you guys go. Beautiful brown. Gone. Gone. That was fun. I watched him came. If you guys can see it, there's a rock right here. He came right up to there and I popped it and then he jumped at it. Pop is another translation for a fast twitch. I slowed it down and gave it a fast twitch. So it's fun. That's fun. I'd like to thank iGogs. It's a cheap version of polarized glasses at Fleet Farm. Just great. Just 20 bucks. They're fashionable. If you're in the trout stream and no one has to see you. So they've got several advantages. Gotta get John on the board here. Come on, buddy. Oop, got one. This one's a nice one, I think. This is a nice one. About the same, maybe a little, it's debatable.
Looks nice.
Looks good. That is, felt nice, just a nice strike. Dark color on this one. This might be the best one. This one's about 14. Wow, that's actually not bad, John.
Yeah.
That's actually, look at the color. The color on that guy. That's just, that's what we call in the trout community gorge. It's just beautiful. Nice fish. Struck me right in the middle there. I don't want them to see me, so please don't follow. But this area right here, I'm feeling a trout. Yep, there's one. Man, that's a nice one. Just all these trout fight so well. This is probably my smallest. Oh, John! I had a double follower.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He's following this guy. This is my smallest one so far. Here, with that hand. Never let me try. What are you doing? I'll keep. Oh no! What happened? Oh, John.
What?
Did you guys see that? My bait just broke off. And John, that was a 20+ inch trout that just missed me.
Yeah. There's a pretty large one over here. Spitting trout.
My mouth is open, everyone. I have no idea what to say. That trout was huge. I feel bad that I got my bait and it's just writhing in pain right now.
I'll get him real quick.
But that was huge. I don't know what to say other than it was huge. Holy cow. Oh, I thought I snagged. He was that big.
This is a testament to how tough these fish are. Look at that. Poked.
Oh, dude. Ow.
He's got some claw marks like maybe an eagle. I mean, how big?
There is a couple eagles up here. I'll show you their nest.
Biggest brown trout yet. Let's beat it. What did you say? That's a 15, 16?
That one? That was probably about 14. All right. Well, just want to make a disclaimer. I am not one to like fake my emotion. I wear my emotions on my sleeve if you know me at all. I can't stand fishing channels that like they catch a 3-inch trout and they're like, oh my, I got a fish on. I'm like I think you guys have seen some of my reactions on here. They're pretty mild. Anyway, yeah. I'm just gonna say this.
The first video.
The first video was true raw emotion, man. That's like that's totally warranted. Like catching fingerlings for a while, but you don't see me freak out like that when I catch a small one. Anyway, that big fish that just bit my line and I couldn't say a thing was not fake. Like I can't fake that. I just couldn't say anything. It was flailing on top of the water. My bait hits in his mouth. I'm like, oh my goodness. All right, we're back to fishing and it looks like this, a fish. There it is. Not bad. There he is, swimming in the water. See if I can get that big guy to bite. I am hoping he bites. That'll make my day. Oh shoot. Stay left. Real muck. Thanks for, oh yes. Right on the edge. Big one. Man, this is a nice one. Yeah, dude, right there. Right in here. He came out from underneath the rock. Look at that trout. Real light colored one. Oh, just pricked myself on my own hook.
That was my biggest right there for sure.
Look at that. 16, 17 incher right there. Hello, barely hooked him. Look at him. All right, you want to see a better look? Here we go. Get that pull out of there. There you go. Looks like something dented the side of that guy. That's fun. He came out. Like I had a good 2.5 feet out and he came out from underneath that rock for it. See, they hide right underneath all that rock. It's insane. It's like, how do you have a home in there?
Just weed.
Just weed? That's fun. Nice to get John on the board here. A big old 15 pluser. 20 pluser, why not? I'll be the nice friend.
30s or nothing.
There's a 30-inch trout in here, man. I'd lose my mind. Oh, there's a chaser. Got him. Hit me late. Hit me late. Yeah, it's still pretty darn wet from the last fish. Jeez. Man, these are... like...
Thanks, yeah.
But honestly, we needed all those other fish to make us appreciate these fish. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not moving. I like to jig it to give it a little extra flash. And, oh, there we go. Not huge, but again, that's a decent size back home. Counting our blessings, right, John? See if I can sneak one way back in there. Oh, firm sand and then feet get stuck. Smooth.
Those all on the number 6, huh?
6 for now, yeah. Oh, there's another one. Hit me late, little guy. I don't know. Not a real big guy, but nice to see him. Nice to see him. Got one?
Yeah, nice one.
Nice, dude. See, he didn't even hit me. See?
Switch over to the Panther.
Oh, was that Panther Martin too? Oh, I thought you had him on Little Cleo. I was like, dang, see, dude? Oh, that's a deep hole. Okay, okay, I'm sorry. Didn't see this was deep. I didn't see it. Didn't remember this hole. There he is. Come on up, he's right here. Right here. Cast up on top, drift it down in. Okay, there you go, everyone. Nice looking brookie, or brownie. Jeez. Can't get my species right. I'm gonna work the other tree just to see if there's one sitting in there. Yep, he was in there. He was underneath the tree. He was underneath that tree. They are so smart. Yeah, there's still one more. There's one more other guy right there. There's the eagle. Oh, I would have given him to you. Come here.
Oh, he just bit.
Did he?
Right here.
Yeah, because I'd seen one in here. We'll see if I can get one. All about presentation. Maybe will hit me a little. Oh, he hit me as soon as I hit the water. That was incredible. Dude, watch this. Watch this. Let's see if I can do it again.
Oh, yeah.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one, John. Nice one.
Oh, wow. Yep.
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 Yep, that's a nice one. Gosh, this water's incredible. I hope I don't foul hook him.
Wow.
Here, watch out, I'm gonna use the bank here. Can I go to your right? Can I go to your right?
Dude.
Yes. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, check out his tail.
Oh. Holy smokes.
You guys see this? Oh, poor guy. I got a trail like they were following. Nice fish. Yes, and it was recording. No, dude, nice fish. I hope I got that jump. Oh no! Nice jump though. I think I got it on camera, dude.
I really hope you did.
I guarantee you I did.
He hit that so weird, dude.